Welcome. In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I'll show you how you can enable or disable record in the background while you are playing. So you have to simply go for the settings, pick gaming, and when you are here we have to go for captures. Tap here. And as you can see, this option we can find here, so we can capture our previous plays by recording game in the background. If you want to enable this option, just tap on the switcher, just like that. Here we get also the record last, so we can go for the 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3, 5 or 10 minutes even, so we can set it up just like that. You can also record even when the PC isn't plugged, so that's cool. And there's also the record via wireless reproduction my screen, but this may impact the quality of our game. And if you want to disable, just tap on the switcher just like that. As you can see, that's how it looks. And by the way, if you turn off the automatic record in the background, you can change the record length when you make it manually. So as you can see, that's how it looks. And if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.